So this is the panel I've put in.
Okay.
I've got all my twin breakers here. I've got my big things like the stove, and then the washer and dryer, and the AC. And then this is my sub panel that I'm going to run. It's going to come down. It's going to plug in through here. I'm going to have my other panel over here, so that'll be for my shop. And that's this big breaker here.
Yeah, look at all the wires. Holy cow. It looks like an organized mess right now.
It's just messy. It'll look good when I get done with it.
Good job. You and your dad.
Yep.
Okay, so we're currently in the dark right now because Blake is getting the electrical stuff figured out.
We're getting the power from the old panel shut off, and we're connecting the new power.
Oh, so close. Being done. It took it's been a week and a half since they've been doing electrical work.
Has it?
Yeah.
You always want your electrical connections super tight.
It's like almost 10 o'clock.
Oh, it is?
Yes. Working hard.
Hardly working.
I know, that's why you have to stay up late.
No.
Label your stuff.
Yeah. You don't label it.
Is that what people do?
If you don't label it, I don't know if other people do this or not, but this is how I do it.
Yeah. Oh, I see it! Wait. Hey, what are you doing? Got it. Okay. Okay, one last thing before we end the night, right?
Yep. That's my shop lights.
Moment of truth.
Which is love.
Here I come. Oh!
There's the light!
Works! Hallelujah! Oh my gosh, finally have a light again. And this one is all done over here. Look at how pretty. That's what Blake would say. Organized. What did you say? Like, good looking.
This is the modern wire 12-2. Well, the Romex. This here, like this is the 12-2. And this is what they used to make it out of. Here, what they do is they wrap it in tar, and then they would coat it with this asbestos fiber so it wouldn't catch on fire.
It's like a rope.
It basically is. It's like a sleeve that would go over the top of it, and that tar would keep it in place, and the asbestos fiber would keep it from burning. All right, we're out here in the garage, and we are gonna clean up. We're just going to clean up everything and make the work area a little bit more workable. my little helpers, we all got it all done, huh guys? Yoo-hoo! Good job, guys. Thanks for helping me. Okay, now it's all clean. I'll show you around. All right, it's all cleaned up, somewhat organized. I gotta take care of everything on that table. It's all the parts and tools. It'll be a lot more manageable to be able to work in here. Everything's cleaned up off the floor. I'm gonna be tripping over everything. Yep, get it. Got this room cleaned up too. These guys helped me a lot.
Okay, so the kids helped you with cleaning. They did so good.
Yeah.
Told them thank you. And you told them to put everything on it.
I said put all my parts and all my tools on this little table, and they sort of stacked
And
it.
that's what they did. So good.